I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that, I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. This is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that the agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in a gallery link and this link. Of course, your contact details on this link together with a map on the side. And if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, you can also add it here. Of course, your company profile and in this link, about link, there. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply. Let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Tier. Talk to you soon.